Designing menus and coming up with restaurant ideas can be very time consuming. Not anymore. We've got Chat GPT. Let's discuss how we can use Chat GPT to design menus quickly. Here's an example. Let's say you want to open an Italian restaurant and you wanted some restaurant ideas. Okay, let's put this question to Chat GPT. Design an a la carte menu for an Italian restaurant with 5 entrees, 5 main courses, and 4 desserts. Give a short description of each, skill level of cookery to be average, menu items to be fairly little preparation times. Okay, it's come with 5 entrees. You've got there in the green, you've got the risotto, calamari fritti, compressor salad, stuffed mushrooms, and garlic knots. A brief description of each is just here. The main courses: margherita pizza, spaghetti carbonara, chicken parmesan, fettuccine alfredo, and lasagna. Popular Italian dishes. Again, description of each there. Then we've got 4 desserts: tiramisu, cannelloni, gelato, panna cotta. Again, does describe here. All these dishes are classic Italian dishes, are all well known and loved, and can be easily prepared with average cooking skills. These menu items have relatively short preparation times, making them ideal for busy restaurants. Okay, now we've got the menu items. I've asked it for, give me recipes of each. Here we go. There's the entrees there, have preparation, the basic preparation, calamari again, the salad, the stuffed mushrooms, and the garlic knots. Onto the main courses, the recipe for margherita. For some reason, ChatGPT stopped, so I asked to please continue. Continuing on here, the spaghetti carbonara, the chicken parmesan, lasagna, and beef ragu. Okay, now we've got the desserts here at the end. All right, or the recipes form, the basic recipes. Obviously, you'll get your chef to, elaborate further, your own tastes, try them out, add a few things, whatever, more of one or the other, but it gives you a basic thing to start from. Okay, now let's do some buying now. Can you give me a shopping list for the 20 portions of each item? So 20 portions of each, give an idea. We think we've got about a 60, 80 seat restaurant, so we think that 20 portions of each should be enough. Okay, here we are. The shopping list. That's all the entrees, the basic items you need to purchase, the main courses, and the desserts. Now, okay, well, we've got all that. That's our shopping list. We've obviously, need things like minor items like, salt, pepper, sugar, that sort of stuff. That's in our kitchen anyway, but it gives you a basic rundown of what you may need. Okay, now, training our staff. We obviously, as good restaurateurs, we've got job descriptions for our kitchen staff. Okay, can you give me a job description for each kitchen staff, including what kitchen staff I need, plus the hours for the day, to prepare and cook these meals for an average lunch and dinner? So we've got a lunch and dinner restaurant, and we want to organise some sort of roster, some sort of description. So we're hiring staff. What staff do we need to prepare these meals? Here we go. Kitchen staff. Responsibilities, what qualifications we look for, and these are the hours here. Okay. Also, can you give me a mission statement for this menu and restaurant quality? Here we go. Our mission is to provide our customers with authentic Italian cuisine in a warm and welcoming environment. We believe in using only the freshest quality ingredients and traditional cooking techniques to create dishes that are both delicious and nutritious. Our menu is carefully crafted to offer a range of classic and contemporary options designed to satisfy every taste and occasion. Our goal is to provide an exceptional dining experience for every guest, every time, by delivering high quality food, friendly service, and a welcoming atmosphere. With a focus on quality, authenticity, and hospitality. We strive to become the go-to destination for Italian cuisine in our community. And also, continuing from that, I've asked it to offer a few suggestions for specials. So we can try a few dishes to see how popular they are. Then maybe introduce them and delete our slow-moving ones. That's the way that we do menus to make sure that we've got the more popular dishes on the menu all the time. And we give our guests some variety so that guests that come all the time have got something new to try out. Here we are. Let's try some chicken parmesan sliders, spaghetti carbonara, lasagna roll-ups, margherita pan-fried pizza, shrimp scampi linguine. Okay, and it elaborates further. It says these special menu items will allow you to offer your customers something a little different while still keeping the theme of authentic Italian cuisine. They're not only fairly quick and easy to prepare, and they're good for busy nights. So it's a menu for a busy restaurant. And you can do the same thing for, can you suggest a menu for a Greek restaurant, or a Lebanese restaurant, or a French restaurant? So we just go in the bottom here and say, for example, please give me menu which is easy to prepare for a new French restaurant, 4 entrees, 5 main meals, and 4 desserts. Okay, and we enter. Here we go. The entrees there, escargots, pate, the salad, traditional French onion soup, main courses, chicken, the fish and seafood stew, the casserole, the steak, and we're going to desserts, creme brulee, tarte tartine, chocolate mousse, macarons. So there it explains that these menu items are classic French dishes that are relatively easy to prepare and can be made in advance, allowing your kitchen staff to focus on plating and presentation during busy service times. Additionally, many of the ingredients can be sourced from local suppliers, which can help keep costs down and ensure the freshest possible product. So we go through the exercise here. We can ask for the recipes. We can organize, depending how big the restaurant is, we can get our shopping list. We can organize staff. We can ask it, what staff do I need for lunch and dinner, or breakfast and lunch, whatever it may be. A job description. So we're hiring staff. We know how to roster them. We know what skills levels they need. And we've got the standard recipes. We can say, well, this is our basic recipes. Well, you've all cooked French or whatever cuisine you've got there. Can you change this a little bit to suit different tastes, or let's try a few derivations of this, and there you've got it. So basically, that's how to use Chat GPT for designing menus, doing our job descriptions, rostering, shopping lists. Gives you a basic outline. I mean, it's obviously not perfect, but it's better than starting from scratch.